What's up, guys? This is the Construction King, and I'm on site. This is our tear down, build back property. Right now, we're in Atlanta, Georgia. The skyline is literally like over those trees. If I had a strong arm, man, I could throw a football and hit the Mercedes-Benz Stadium. So that's how close we are to the city. This area has been changed in the last several years. The World Cup is gonna come in 2026. And I feel like Atlanta's gonna do what it did in '96 and continue to go up in value. So great location, great investment opportunity. We're building a 2,200 square feet modern home. The lot is kind of narrow. It's about 50 feet wide, maybe 130 feet deep. So it's right around a quarter acre, give or take. Right now is day number 1 on doing the foundation. We actually had to bring in about 12 loads of dirt to build up the foundation. And what you see going on now is them laying out the foundation. Once this is laid out, then I'll be able to have the plumber come out here and do all the plumbing rough. Once we pass our plumbing rough, then they'll come and put the rebar in, put down the vapor barrier, the wire mesh and everything. And then we'll have our foundation inspected, have our footing inspected. Once that's done, man, then we will officially be able to pour concrete. Once that concrete is poured, I'll ask my engineer how long those footers the foundation needs to cure before we can start framing. Normally it's 7, 10 days, 14 days, whatever he suggests. We'll wait that period and I have lumber, and then we're gonna be up in the air. Total build time, we're trying to be out of this property from the day that we start pouring foundation. We're trying to be out of this property in about 5 months. Right now, we're undecided. We're thinking about keeping it because it definitely can be a great Airbnb or even a rental property. And we definitely want to catch that appreciation here in a couple of years. We definitely have a lot of room in it to refinance it and burr it. And burr is, buy, rehab, renovate, and repeat, but we're building and then refinancing and repeat. But that's the plan on this property. So y'all stay tuned, y'all stay locked in. We're gonna document this entire process and it's gonna be a dope house. One of the challenges that we had with this lot, and I don't even say challenges, anytime you're dealing with a municipality, you gotta understand the permitting process. The City of Atlanta is not always easy as it relates to the permits. So we had some issues with what trees we could or could not take down. End up having to pay a recompense fee to kind of get a couple of these trees out of here. I still will have light to kind of get this tree down. Maybe we'll cut it down on the back end. I'll just pay the recompense fee. And also the other one, I just hate trees too close to the house. I'll just deal with the fines on the back end and go replant trees that make me replant trees, but I don't want them close to the house. We'll definitely get this fence out of here at some point. Once we get a little further along down the line with our construction. We have had some issues with people dumping trash on the site, as you can see. One of the reasons I don't have a dumpster here is because if I put a dumpster here, guess what? They just gonna fill it up. So I'm gonna have my guy haul that away, and I'll have a dumpster or a dump trailer here the day that they're doing work, and I'll make sure that dump trailer goes at the end of the day so that nobody, 1, steals it, and 2, nobody fills it up. Only my construction guys will fill it up. We did get our temp pole up. I'm gonna put some cameras on the site so I can see who's coming in and off this site because we've had issues with theft. Like we've already had people steal some of our lumber. And those are some of the challenges, building in Atlanta, especially downtown Atlanta. On the outskirts, not so much, but definitely in Atlanta, you're gonna have those issues. A few other things going on, but nothing too bad. Definitely y'all hit that like button below and follow the channel. We're gonna document this entire process from start to finish. And I'm just gonna educate y'all on what's going on, leave some comments, and we will respond to y'all comments. This is the Construction King, and I will see y'all when we start framing.